the Republic of the Philippines, Province of Samar, Municipality of Paranas. A resolution congratulating and formally recognizing Ensign J.K. B. Pabunan, Philippine Navy, for successfully completing the rigorous training program of the Philippine Military Academy, or PMA, Talang Dangal Class of 2026, as the first homegrown PMA graduate of the Municipality of Paranas, Samar, exemplifying courage, integrity, and loyalty, and for bringing honor and distinction to the municipality. Whereas, public recognition of individuals who attain distinction in their chosen field strengthens civic pride and reinforces the value of discipline, perseverance, and service among the constituents of the municipality of Paranas. Whereas, Ensign J.K.B. Pabunan, Philippine Navy, has successfully completed the demanding 4-year cadetship program of the Philippine Military Academy Talang Dangal Class of 2026. An institution known for its rigorous academic, physical, and military training designed to form competent and principled military officers. Whereas, his achievement is specifically historic as he is recognized as the first homegrown graduate of the Philippine Military Academy from Barangay Luquilocon, Municipality of Paranas, Samar, thereby setting a milestone for the municipality and serving as a symbol of hope, determination, and excellence for the youth. Whereas, his journey reflects not only personal endurance through the strict standards of military formation, but also the values of courage in the adversity, integrity in conduct, and loyalty to duty and country, which are foundational ideals of military service. Whereas, his achievement stands as a meaningful source of inspiration to the youth of Paranas, particularly students and young leaders who aspire to serve the nation with honor and discipline. Whereas, it is fitting that the 12 Sangguniang Bayan of Paranas formally acknowledge such achievement as a reflection of local excellence contributing to national service. Now therefore, on motion of yours truly, Honorable Leila Marie Babalcon, duly seconded by all members of the Sanggunian, be it resolved to formally recognize Ins. J.K.B. Pabunan, Philippine Navy, for his successful graduation from the Philippine Military Academy Talang Dangal Class of 2026 as the first homegrown PMA graduate of the Municipality of Paranas, Samar. Further resolved to commend him for exemplifying courage, integrity, and loyalty throughout his cadetship training and for bringing honor and distinction to the Municipality of Paranas, Samar. Resolved finally to authorize the inclusion of this recognition in the official records of the Sangguniang Bayan and to furnish copies of this resolution to the honoree, the office of the municipal mayor, and other concerned offices for information and appropriate acknowledgement. Unanimously approved this 25th day of May 2026 at the Legislative Session Hall, Paranas, Samar. Signed by Tito Alfonso Quilapio, SB Secretary, and certified correct by Attorney Eunice U. Babalcon, Vice Mayor, and approved by Honorable Elvira U. Babalcon, Municipal Mayor. Congratulations.